Hi, I'm Austin Ashley, and welcome to the product tour of the 28 Surf from Chaparral. This boat has a length overall of 28 feet, a beam of 8 feet 6 inches, and a fuel capacity of 80 gallons. This feature-packed boat is sure to provide plenty of excitement for you and your family out on the water. Let's take a closer look. The 28 Surf utilizes the patented Malibu Surf Gate. Using this, we're able to eliminate the need for oversized trim tab-like structures and excessive ballast. Alongside of a forward-facing drive and a specially designed wake surf hull, you're guaranteed to have the best wave on the water. The bow of the 28 Surf is perfect for any family. This area features full wraparound bolsters, curved seat backs with lumbar support, pull-up armrests, 2 stainless steel draining cup holders, and a full-length grab rail. I'm 6'2", and this area has plenty of room for me to stretch out in. The boat we're on today features the optional blackout package, which has a cayenne colored with black accent silicone upholstery. The silicone upholstery is easy to clean, very durable, and has a supple and luxurious feel. The 28 Surf also features a standard bow table that has dedicated storage and a stainless steel side mount leg, making this the perfect area for snacks or drinks on the water. To port and starboard, you have twin storage compartments that are supported by articulating hinges, meaning they're easy to access and the lids won't fall on you. To center, you have a removable cushion that gives way to a diamond pattern non-skid step to your foredeck, and under that is a molded in, insulated, and overboard draining cooler. Your foredeck features diamond pattern non-skid, which provides a safe step, flush mount hardware, pull-up cleats, and a hideaway nav light. This boat features the optional windlass system that's located inside an oversized anchor locker, and with that windlass system, you have easy to access windlass controls, aside from your controls at the helm. The helm of the 28 Surf was designed with the captain in mind. A full wraparound windshield provides protection while underway. Your standard windshield will feature a stainless steel cap rail. This one is black due to the Black Edition package. A hand-stitched vinyl wrapped brow provides excellent resistance against glare. You have twin standard Simrad 7-inch displays that are slightly angled to provide a better viewing angle. Your Simrad displays will be able to provide you with engine diagnostics or a map, as well as controls for your surf system. On either side of the dash, you have stainless steel panels that house your backlit push-button switches. To starboard, you have a Clarion head unit with USB ports and an auxiliary input, a stainless steel cup holder that drains, and easy control to your binnacle. To center, you have a leather-wrapped steering wheel with free-floating medallion and a tilt base. This boat also features standard premium bucket seats with wraparound bolsters, lower vent for ventilation, and slide and swivel controls right here at your fingertips. To port on the 28 Surf, you have a molded fiberglass head door that is wrapped in a hand-stitched vinyl, features a locking glove box, and a stainless steel grab rail. This head door gives way to a standard head compartment. This head compartment comes standard with teak flooring, a porta potty, an opening port light with screen, and a solid surface countertop vanity that features a stainless steel sink and pull-out sprayer. The boat we're on today features the optional electric toilet upgrade. The cockpit of the 28 Surf is perfect for entertaining. You have 2 helm seats that swivel around to join the conversation, a large L-shaped seating area, and a starboard side bench. Under gunnel, you have recessed cubbies that house your stainless steel draining cup holders and grab rails. This boat also comes standard with a bow and cockpit table that has a stainless steel side mount leg, making this perfect place for drinks or snacks on the water. With your standard arch and bimini top, this is also a great place to get out of the sun. The cockpit of the 28 Surf offers tons of storage. You have a large storage area under your port side bench. You have dedicated storage for a standard carry-on cooler under your starboard side seating, and floor storage. At the stern of the 28 Surf, you have a lot of great features. To start, you have port and starboard fuel fills, which makes using the gas dock even easier. You have 4 stainless steel cleats, 2 of which are pull-up, a stainless steel grab bar, and a low integrated tow point. This swim platform is absolutely massive. You have almost 30 square feet of usable space. It also features my favorite thing on this boat is the standard Infinity power step. Easy to use, it is an electrically actuated mechanism that gives you 3 steps, a full foot under the water, which makes boarding and entering the water easy, especially for water sports. You can sit in the water and put on your skis or get ready to surf. When powering up the step, it actually pulls power from the helm, meaning you don't have to worry about anybody starting the motor while the step is down. You also have a 3/4 width bench that easily transforms into our aft-facing Vista View lounge. For the perfect water sports adventure with your friends or family, the 28 Surf is the boat for you. For more information, please check this boat out at chaparralboats.com or visit your local dealer. Thanks for joining me on this product tour. I'm Austin Ashley, and we'll see you next time.